Leveling surveyors in Palam Vihar, Delhi play a crucial role in the construction and development industry. They are responsible for ensuring that the ground is level and suitable for construction projects. With their expertise in surveying techniques, they accurately measure elevations and slopes to determine the best course of action for building foundations and other structures. These surveyors are equipped with the necessary tools and knowledge to carry out precise leveling surveys, allowing architects and engineers to design structures that are safe and durable. Surveyors in Palam Vihar utilize SCON design to establish reference points and benchmarks that aid in the accurate measurement of elevations. These markers are strategically placed at specific locations to create a network of points that can be used as a basis for future measurements. The SCON design ensures that surveyors can easily locate and access these markers, allowing for consistency and accuracy in their leveling surveys. Palam Vihar, located in Delhi, offers a unique set of challenges for leveling surveyors. The terrain in this area can vary significantly, with slopes and uneven ground posing obstacles to construction projects. However, with their expertise and knowledge, these surveyors are able to overcome these challenges and provide accurate measurements. By conducting detailed leveling surveys, they can identify areas that need to be leveled or sloped, ensuring that construction projects are built on stable ground. The services provided by leveling surveyors in Palam Vihar are essential for the successful execution of construction projects. Their precise measurements and assessments form the foundation upon which architects and engineers can design safe and structurally sound buildings. Building and development industries depend heavily on leveling surveyors in Palam Vihar, Delhi. It is their duty to make sure the ground is level and suitable for building projects. In order to identify the best course of action for building foundations and other buildings, they properly measure elevations and slopes using their experience in surveying techniques. Because these surveyors have the instruments and expertise to conduct accurate leveling surveys, architects and engineers may create structures that are both secure and long-lasting. SCON design is a tool that surveyors in Palam Vihar use to create benchmarks and reference points that help them measure elevations accurately. These markers are carefully positioned in order to establish a network of points that can serve as the foundation for upcoming measurements. In order to maintain consistency and precision in their leveling surveys, surveyors can readily discover and reach these markers thanks to the SCON design. For leveling surveyors, Palam Vihar in Delhi presents a distinctive set of difficulties. Construction projects can be complicated by the terrain in this area, which can vary greatly and has slopes and uneven land. However, because to their skill and understanding, professional surveyors are able to get beyond these obstacles and offer precise measures. To ensure that building projects are built on stable ground, they can identify areas that need to be leveled or slanted